We'll guide you through how to access the Asana login page effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type in asana.com and hit enter. Once the Asana homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a blue button labeled Login. Click on that button, and it will take you to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your Asana account in the first field. Then, type in your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can click on Forgot Password just below the password field to initiate a password reset. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. If everything is correct, you will be directed to your Asana dashboard, where you can manage your tasks and projects. For those who prefer using single sign-on, you can click on the Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft buttons if your Asana account is linked to either service. Just a quick tip, if you're using a shared computer, make sure to log out of your Asana account once you're done to keep your information secure. And there you have it. Accessing your Asana login is straightforward and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.